candies, are you right?
Yes, I'm alright!
Did you hurt stop anything?
No, I'm fine!
Okay, yes, he says fine. Oh, I don't think so. Everything is gonna be okay, dude.
Guys, can we go to play outside?
Oh, yes, of course!
Look, there's a Mickey Mouse.
Oh my god, there's a Mickey Mouse!
Yes, the Mickey Mouse. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's see what happens. Popcorns! Oh my god, I love popcorns! I noticed it at popcorns before.
Cotton candy! Oh my god! This is my favorite! This is my favorite! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What the hell is that? It's a Bonky Wonky elephant.
Wow! Look at this cake!
Wow! I like this cake. So very cool. I like this party. You candies. Whoa, cool. Oh, it's Batman and Superman. You. Oh, look at this balloon. Just looks like a flower. You. Hey, sir. I like it so. Wait, where's the cotton candies? No, wait, popcorns? Cotton candies? Wow, so cool. And there's a cake. Oh, cakes for marbles. Cool.